Hey guys, how to view your Snapchat zip data file. So first of all, request the data, right? In Snapchat, go to the profile, tap the gear icon, and then go to the settings, and then scroll to my data and request the data. You will receive an email with a link to download it once it's ready. Click on the link in the email and download the zip file to your computer or iPhone. Use the extraction tool like WinRAR or the built-in extractor on your OS to unzip the file, and then inside the extracted file folder, look for HTML files or other formats that contain your data. Open these with a web browser or appropriate software to view your Snapchat data. That's it. You can now explore your data. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.